The following message has been transmitted by the request of the U.S. government and NASA. Many UFO sightings have been reported, and they don't know if these aliens are nice or mean, but you should definitely listen to TV, radio, and cable outlets for further updates and possible evacuation notices. The following message is transmitted by the request of NASA and the United States government. It has been confirmed that these aliens are trying to invade Earth, and are trying to kill every single living thing on Earth, including trees, pets, and even humans. To protect your life, seek a fallout shelter. Do not interact with these aliens. Scientists don't know if every single one of these aliens are mean, or if there are some nice ones. All they know is that there are some trying to read planet Earth.
They're right here, lady.
Oh, but this is a spoon.
The following message is transmitted by the request of NASA. Scientists have confirmed that the aliens with green skin are the nice ones. Well, the aliens with the red skin are evil. You should only come in contact with green skin aliens. Do not even approach the red skin aliens. The green aliens will save your life. Well, the red aliens will try to destroy you. The following message is transmitted by the request of the U.S. government. The U.S. government has now made green skin aliens legal to own as a pet. Well, their evil red skin counterparts are legal to own as a pet, even if you have a permit. These green aliens are just like us, but with an IQ score of about 9,000. The red counterparts are now starting a war. This is a global emergency. If you or your green alien counterpart encounter one of these red aliens, you should run. To stay safe, seek a fallout shelter. If there is no fallout shelter, opt for the basement of your home. The following message is transmitted by the request of NASA and the U.S. government. This is an all-clear signal. Repeating, this is an all-clear signal. You and your alien friend may get out of your fallout shelter or basement. Fortunately, no homes were destroyed, however, some trees have been damaged.